I'm a change maker, and I'm fighting for a future where a healthy lifestyle is accessible to anyone and everyone, anywhere and everywhere. Hi, my name is Chloe Jones, and this past year, I was a part of the Commonwealth 2 Y-Court team. For my passion project, I decided I was going to grow fresh fruits and vegetables for people in my community. This project really started last summer when I had started my very first garden ever, and I loved it. I loved it. And by the time the fall rolled around, I had already started planning what I was going to plant in my garden for this summer. And by the time this summer rolled around, I had already been enrolled in the Y-Core team, and I decided what better thing to do for my passion project than something I'm already very passionate about. So I grabbed my supplies and I got to work. I have planted tomatoes, potatoes, onions, blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, herbs, the works. So I've had a great time doing it this summer, and I'm currently in the process of harvesting some of my produce, and I'm also currently in the process of deciding whether I should be donating this produce to local organizations or I should be donating to individuals in need. So I'm having a great time doing that. As a part of the new normal, I would love to see more compassion outstretched between people of all walks of life. I would love to see a larger bridge between the haves and the have-nots, not only in my community, but I can see that that's a great place to start. So I just feel like these times can really bring out the best and the worst in people, but if we capitalize on the best, we can really make a great change that way.